said your last rites.
Bernie, don't. It's really scary to me.
Get in, I'm gonna push you. Dude. All right, ready? Here we go, man.
Oh, babe. Oh, babe.
You ready?
Oh, babe.
Want me to help you?
Oh, babe. Oh, babe. Oh, babe. Oh, babe.
Oh my God, come on.
Now what? Yeah. Help her out. Okay, you're gonna drag her.
No! I would, but right now I'm soaked in mud.
Talon. Is that funny? There Molly goes. Down there Molly goes. Hey, she did it. Keep going, babe. Now push your oar in the mud and scoot yourself. There it is. Yay. Talon.
Probably shouldn't put the two most anxious people
Talon.
about what?
Pirates. Yeah. What?
Bernie, how are we going to go upstream?
Easy. Just go up. It's not hard at all. No, get off.
I'm trying to get more scared. Paige, try to get behind me. No, this is too hard.
It's not hard. You're doing just fine. All right, well, we made it in the water so far. Everybody is having an enjoyable time, except for Talon. For some reason, he's thinking this is like the Mississippi River or something. And I'm trying to find a place. I'm trying to find a place for Paige to jump off. Oh, we're gaining steam. We are gaining steam, Paige. Okay, Paige, you're heading us right towards those trees. Get us out of here. Are you doing this on purpose?
No.
Ah!
I have an autopilot on this thing.
All right, see if you can stand up on it. See if you can stand up. Stop. Do it. Do it.
I can't do it. I'll do it when we I need to jump. What am I doing?
You're gonna jump.
Running, jumping.
Do it.
How deep is it?
It's about 3.5 foot deep.
Wait, I'm taller than that.
Well, Paige isn't. Go, Paige.
3, 2, 1, go! Are there any rocks?
No.
3, 2, 1, go!
Yeah. That a girl.
Alyssa, take that off of him, please. Talon, you can take it off, and then when we get back in kayaks, you got to wear it again.
So we take a much-needed pit stop. Give you a travel vlog. So far, we came down. This is very easy. Going, but no, I didn't. Going back up is going to be very hard.
Take that off of him.
Paige somehow fell off her kayak. Mind you, she has a life jacket on. And she's floating, freaking out. I don't know about what. I'm laughing. She's crying. And now we're here on this little sandbar, trying to muster up the strength to go upriver. Which in the car is a mile away. So, we gotta come up with a plan. I said we just pull over here, Uber somebody, go up.
There's no road. I just see the freeway right there.
So they should have Uber boats.
I told Alyssa we have to call the Coast Guard.
Somebody. Help!
Really?
Help! Okay, predicament time. The car is a mile ahead, up this river, going upstream against the wind, semi-fast current. We walked, park here, somebody walk and get the car, or do we paddle upstream to get the vehicle?
Paddle up the stream.
You think so?
Yeah.
Can you do it?
Uh-huh.
All right.
I'm going with you.
Man, Talon, you are a sugar cookie. Let's go.
Put a seashell.
Well, things did not go according to plan, did they, Paige?
No. So we're straight in the middle. Mommy went with her mom and grandma, and then they went that way. Or that way.
We had to hitch a ride to get it was just a mess. I'll tell you about it when we get home. It was just a mess.